Okay, so let us go to the set. Alok Mehta has three children, Asha, Usha and Sanju. Okay, so I will write Alok Mehta over here. And they have three children. I'm not writing the name of the children because let's see what is needed. Okay, so Sanju married Nita, so Sanju is needed. Okay, I will write Sanju over here. Sanju married Rita, the eldest daughter. So Rita is daughter, which means that Sanju is male. So male means triangle. It's my way like auto representing male as triangle and female as circle. Okay, you can have your own. Sanju is married to eldest daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Mathur. Okay, Sanju is married Rita, and we know that Rita's parents are Mathur. Okay, so Rita is also. So this is done, and she is the eldest. Okay, so I'll write eldest over here. Okay, now the Mathur married their youngest daughter to eldest son of Mr. and Mrs. So Mathur's eldest daughter. So one more daughter is there, and she is married to the eldest son of Mr. and Mrs. Saxena. Okay, so married to someone Saxena. Okay, Saxena, triangle, because he's a male and he is the eldest. And this daughter of this Mathur is youngest. Okay. And they had two children named Sanjay and Gauri. Okay, so it can be Sanjay or Gauri. The Saxena have two more children, Rahul and Aditi, both younger to Sanjay. Okay. Sonu and Surinder, both younger to. It is, see, one thing to notice is this is the eldest. Okay, and it is given that Rahul and Aditi both are younger to Sanjay. Okay, so here you cannot have Rahul, you cannot have Aditi. Okay, you cannot have both of them. So only option left is either Sanjay or what other is Sanjay or Gauri. Okay, so Sanjay or Gauri can be here. Okay, I will keep a hold S oblique G I will write and we'll see later on. Okay, Sanjay or Gauri will be there. Sonu and Surinder are sons of Sanju and Rita. So Sanju is over here. So Sonu and Surinder are like sons of them. So they will be sibling like brothers. Brother means triangle. Okay. Lata is the daughter of Sanjay and Rima. Sanjay is Rima. Okay. So one thing, Sanjay will be over here for sure because we know that there is a couple, that is Sanjay. There is a couple over here, and we know that here it will be either Sanjay or Gauri. But it's given that Sanjay is Lata is daughter of Sanjay and Rima. Okay, so it has to be Sanjay over here. Okay, so it will be Sanjay over here, and one more thing, we are sure that Rima will be over here. Okay, rest all will be over here in any order, and Lata is the daughter of Sanjay and Rima, so Lata will be over here. Okay, now this is done. The question number 1 is, what is the surname of Lata? So if we follow our patriarchal society, the daughter gets the surname of their father. Okay, so father is by the time they get married, the surname is there of father only. So father is Sanjay and Sanjay's surname is Saxena. Okay, so Saxena is the answer. How is Rahul related to Lata? So Rahul will be somewhere over here because we know that. Where is Rahul? What the hell is Rahul? Rahul and Aditi. Okay, so Rahul and Aditi will be somewhere over here. Okay, now the question is, Rahul related to Lata. So Rahul is over here, and where is Lata? Lata is over here. Okay, so Rahul is certainly uncle. Okay, so since Rahul gender is not known, so Rahul can be uncle, can be aunt as well. Okay, so it has to be, cannot be determined. Okay, we don't go generally by like the name, we don't determine gender. Okay, because we know that Rahul can be male or female as well. Okay, so we will mark cannot be determined for this. Let me check. They had two more children. Yes, nothing is mentioned. Yes, it will cannot be determined only. Okay, how is Mrs. Mathur related to Sanjay? Mrs. Mathur. So Mrs. Mathur is somewhere over here and Sanjay is over here. Okay, so Mrs. Mathur is clearly mother-in-law of Sanjay. Okay, so mother-in-law, B is the answer. Okay, so answer is C, D, B. This is the answer, C, D, B. So I hope the set is clear now.